Hi friends, before I start today's video, I would like to share some tips on why your natural hair is breaking off. I've been reading your comments and I thought to share this because some of you don't know all this. Number one, you wear tight hairstyles a lot. Please avoid putting tension on your scalp. That can lead to serious breakage in shedding. Make your styles as loose as possible. Tight hairstyles does not grow your hair, so take note. You are not moisturizing your hair enough. Please start moisturizing your hair at least 2 to 3 times a week. You hydrate your hair with hair tea, especially the one that we're about to make on today's video. Then you proceed with your leave-in conditioner and then seal with hair growth oil. You are never trimming your ends. Start trimming your ends at least 2 to 3 times a year. Always trim your ends because split ends tend to travel down your root and then cause more shedding and breakage for you. You don't wear satin bonnets to sleep. Start sleeping with satin bonnets. No matter how tired you are, always wear your satin bonnet because the cotton pillowcases can actually cause friction and then tend to break off your hair. So start wearing your satin bonnet. You're drying your hair with regular towel instead of using microfiber towel. There is this towel specifically made for drying our hair after wash day. Stick to that and stop wearing your terry towels. Stop using your terry towels, which is the regular towel you use to clean your body, to dry your hair. It is not nice. The detangling tools. Use tools that are natural friendly. Always use white tooth comb if you want to comb your hair. Do not use tight tooth combs to comb your hair. Avoid too much heat on your hair. Not every time you wash your hair you must blow dry, and if you must blow dry, use heat protectant. If you enjoyed listening to these tips, please let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know if you'd want to see more of this on my subsequent videos. To begin, we are about to make a potent hairspray that can help with shedding and breakage. All you need to do is to place your pot on heat and then pour some water to it, about 500 ml worth, because I later added more to this. I poured about 250 ml worth earlier. So when I noticed it was small, I added a little. So bring that to a boil. As that is boiling, our first ingredient for today's recipe is aloe vera. The wonder of aloe vera lies in its thorny, succulent leaves filled with thick, nutritious gel-like substance. It contains more than 75 nutrients, including 20 minerals, 18 amino acids, and 12 vitamins. Some of the beneficial vitamins in aloe vera include vitamin A, B12, C, and E. All of these nutrients promote cell turnover, healthy cell growth, and shiny hair. All I did was just to wash that thoroughly, remove the unwanted parts, which are the thorns, and then slice that like so, just in cubes form. My water has boiled and I had to transfer that into the water and then proceed for my next ingredient. And for my next ingredient, we are going to be using fresh ginger. Just so you know, if you must incorporate ginger in your routine or in your DIY, always go for the fresh ones because I feel they are more potent. If you think this is not correct, let me know in the comment section below. Applying ginger to the scalp can improve blood circulation to the area while also stimulating each individual hair follicles. Ginger has several vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids which help in strengthening and improving hair quality, in turn promoting long, stronger hair. So I just chopped that and then poured in my boiling water. Moving on to my next ingredient, I've got fresh rosemary leaves. Rosemary strengthens hair follicles to produce fortified hair strands. They fight dandruff, they reduce inflammation on the scalp, they help soothe conditions like scalp eczema and scalp psoriasis. Nourishes the hair follicles with hair growth nutrients, controls an excessive oily scalp, protects the hair cuticle from damage, promotes thicker hair growth, makes your hair volumized and shiny. They stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. After adding that, stir to combine all ingredients and allow this to boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes mark, turn off your heat and allow this to cool down completely. After it must have cooled down completely, proceed to strain. So that is the color after it must have cooled down completely, and I'm straining with my sieve and a bowl to collect my ingredients. After straining, here's my spray bottle. I'll go ahead and transfer that to it. Isn't this recipe simple? Let me know in the comment section below. And I'll be adding my essential oil, peppermint essential oil in 5 drops. After adding in that, I'll go ahead and then shake the bottle to combine all the ingredients. This product is ready for application at this point. Before I forget, you're to store this in your refrigerator for only 5 days. After 5 days, it loses its potency. You don't need to add preservatives to this because of the ginger, okay? So just store in your refrigerator. That is just the best part. How to store this, that's the best way to prolong the shelf life of this product. So from what you can see, I'm actually applying this on my scalp, from scalp to the hair shaft and then to my hair tips. If you don't want to smell all ginger, some of you feel that you may be smelling all the ingredients used for making your DIY. So if you don't want that, you can use it as the last process on your wash day. Just pour it on your hair, allow it for 30 minutes before rinsing off with water. I do love to apply all my DIY sprays as a leave-in treatment, after which I proceed with a leave-in conditioner and I seal with either my hair grease, hair butter or hair growth oil. Look at the leave-in conditioner that I'm using. This is L'Oreal Core Expression leave-in conditioner, and I applied that. I'm sorry I didn't record the part where I use a sealant, which could be oil, grease or hair butter. That brings me to the end of today's video. Let me know how you would love to apply this treatment, and I will see you on my next one. Not so fast. Before you leave, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please share this video with your family and friends, and I will see you on my next one shortly by God's grace. Bye.